Hello, dear viewers. I'm Franco Ronceros, a student of the Professional Translation Interpreting course. Today, I would like to tell you about one of the most controversial issues, nuclear power. When we hear about this topic, we instantly recall disaster events like Chernobyl or Fukushima. It is a common belief that this kind of energy, thanks to some historical events, represents a big threat to the environment. However, this bad reputation it has acquired hides the benefits it brings to human life. By the end of the presentation, you will know about the advantages of nuclear power and why it's one of the best sources of energy. Now, let's move to the first part of my talk, which is about a brief concept of what nuclear power is and how it works. Nuclear power, discovered by the physicist Ernest Rutherford in 1932, is a source of energy that uses radioactive elements to generate electricity. If we now look at this image of the structure of a nuclear power plant, you can identify three parts: the containment structure, the turbines, and the cooling tower. It should be noted that every nuclear power plant needs a constant water resource for its operation. First, inside the containment structure, the water enters through the conduit powered by a pump and reaches the reactor core. Here, nuclear fission occurs, which is the process used to obtain energy from the split of nuclei of radioactive elements. This generates a lot of heat and causes the water to boil. Then the steam passes through ducts and reaches the turbines. These end up moving at high speed and generate electrical energy. Finally, the steam is cooled in the cooling towers, where a temperature exchange occurs due to the presence of cold water from the river or sea, and some steam is liberated into the atmosphere. In recent decades, nuclear power has been stigmatized with discredited campaigns and alarmist speeches by environmental groups like Greenpeace. However, the reality is different. Now, I'll give you some reasons why nuclear power is the most reliable energy source. Reason number one: nuclear power pollutes less than other energy resources. While no one denies the risk of using nuclear power, in ecological terms, it is better than other energy sources these environmental groups propose to use, such as fossil fuels. Ritchie 2020 states that all energy sources have detrimental effects on the environment. Fossil fuels are the most dangerous and dirtiest energy resources, while nuclear power is cleaner and safer. Now we will check this in Europe, being more specific, a comparison between France and Germany. France is the country in Europe which uses most nuclear power. According to the World Nuclear Association 2020, 75% of the total energy produced in France comes from nuclear power plants. On the other hand, Germany is the country which uses less nuclear power. It chose to close all its nuclear power plants because fear of having an accident like Fukushima. Looking at this graph, you can notice that from total German electricity generation, only 12.1% comes from nuclear energy. Therefore, fossil fuels are the only source of sustainable energy, since renewable energies are highly dependent on their source. Now, this map shows the most and least polluted countries in Europe. The greener the country, the less polluted it is. And if it's more reddish, then it's more polluted. We can see that France is greener than Germany. This shows that the use of nuclear energy pollutes less than other energy sources, so we can equate it with renewable energy. In this graph, we show the CO2 emissions per capita. Germany has one of the highest in Europe with 8.88 tons per capita, and France has one of the lowest with 4.38. Now, let's go to the second point. Nuclear power is the safest energy source. As I said before, the term nuclear power reminds us of disaster events like Chernobyl. The Chernobyl reactor core was an IBMK model, which belongs to the second generation of the nuclear energy system. Also, it had many errors in its structure. Furthermore, that accident occurred due to negligence on the part of the operators and in a circumstance that is unlikely to happen again. Nowadays, nuclear plants are more secure. By 2030, the fourth generation will be operational. According to Energy Force, this will be designed to avoid accidents with drastic consequences, such as the release of radioactive material to the environment. Additionally, nuclear power is the energy that has caused fewer deaths compared to other sources of energy. Research 2020 notes that there is a lower death rate for nuclear energy. This bar graph shows the death rates from energy production, and you can check that nuclear power is safe compared to fossil fuels. This death rate includes the death of both Chernobyl and Fukushima accidents. To conclude, nuclear power is one of the best source of energy options. With this, I do not see to rule out the use of renewable energy. What's more, together they make a good team since they pollute less and cause fewer deaths. Thank you.